Understanding Boiler Feedwater, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, boiler feedwater. This may seem like a technical term, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in context. So, let's dive in. Boiler feedwater is a compound noun, made up of two words, boiler and feedwater. Let's look at each part separately. A boiler is a large container used to heat and store water, usually for industrial or commercial purposes. Feedwater, on the other hand, is water that is supplied to a system, in this case, the boiler. So, when we combine these terms, boiler feedwater refers to water that is supplied to a boiler for heating and conversion into steam. Understanding boiler feedwater is crucial in industries where steam generation is essential. This phrase is often used in contexts related to mechanical engineering, thermal power plants, and various industrial processes. The quality and treatment of this water are vital for the efficient and safe operation of boilers. It's not just a technical term, it's a key component in many industries. Let's put our phrase into action. Here are some examples of how boiler feedwater can be used in sentences. 1. The chemical composition of the boiler feedwater is critical for preventing corrosion in the boiler. 2. Engineers regularly test the boiler feedwater to ensure it meets the required standards. 3. The treatment of boiler feedwater is an important step in maintaining the efficiency of the steam generation process. Notice how the phrase is used to refer to a specific aspect of boiler operation and maintenance. It's easy to confuse boiler feedwater with similar terms like cooling water or drinking water. Remember, boiler feedwater is specifically used for boilers and steam generation. It's not just any type of water, but water that has been treated and is suitable for high temperature and high pressure environments. I hope this explanation has shed light on what boiler feedwater means and how it's used. Remember, understanding specific phrases like this can greatly improve your technical English skills, especially if you're interested in engineering or industrial fields. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning adventure.